Step into the 2012 Chevrolet Impala. This four-door sedan just recently passed the 20,000-mile mark. Under the hood, you'll find a six-cylinder engine with more than 300 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Well-tuned suspension and stability control deliver a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Chevrolet infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as front and rear reading lights, variably intermittent wipers, a trip computer, remote keyless entry, and more. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 speakers enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Side curtain airbags deploy in extreme circumstances, shielding you and your passengers from collision forces. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.